Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the kitchen. About 4 weeks ago, I done a video where I canned milk. Okay, we're going to do a taste test 4 weeks in. Okay, first of all, I have some regular milk. This is the same brand I used. Got it at Walmart. That is the regular milk. Let me set this aside. Okay. I did put this in the refrigerator to get it cold. Because, honestly, I don't like drinking warm milk. So I wanted it chilled so it would be an accurate comparison. It was a nice seal. Smells good. Looks good. Okay. Pour a little bit in there for Jackson. A little bit in here for me. Okay. The canned milk is a little darker in color, which I expected that. So, Jackson, you've been aggravating me to death to try this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You get the first test.
Mm-hmm.
Does it taste like regular milk?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is the regular milk. Okay. That was our canned milk.
It tastes the same.
The same? Wow. Guys, that's from a picky 7-year-old who, if he did not like it, he would let you know. Wouldn't you?
Mm-hmm.
I can't tell a difference in the flavor. The color's a little different, but flavor-wise, no difference at all. Maybe just a tad bit sweeter. I don't know. But guys, do not be afraid of canning milk. I will link the video in the description box to the process that I used to can this. But this is an absolutely fantastic way when you find milk on sale, when you get milk that's close dated in the refrigerator, you don't want to lose it. It is the fantastic way to preserve it out on your shelf, not take up space in the refrigerator. You have a power go out in the wintertime. Hey, get you a jar of this, sit it outside on your porch. It'll cool down. You can have cold milk for your cereal. It is endless the ways you can use this. I know a lot of people say they can use powdered milk for the same thing. That's true, you can. But in all honesty, this tastes a lot better. And as you saw from my 7-year-old, it's good. He liked it. So, anyways, what do you tell him?
Bye-bye.
And thanks.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you folks on the next video.